Hi, I'm Dilip, and currently I'm working as a senior consultant lead in product management at Northern Trust Corporation. To talk about my roles, as a part of my core job or responsibility, I understand the business requirement and deliver the solutions. I'm also responsible for creating and maintaining the product vision, roadmap, define the product strategy, and behind a product specify its functional requirements and manage feature release. Furthermore, I evaluate product performance and incorporate key learning into a product optimization strategy. Before the challenges, what I can think of is that I did not have a hands-on experience as a product manager before taking up the role as a product manager. So posed me a good amount of challenge, and especially the skill set. I was not very clear that okay, what all these skill set. Though I was clear on majority of them, but not 100% I was sure on all these skill sets. But I think few of the key takeaways or online learnings has helped me to grow myself to overcome from those challenges. The key learning for me into this role has changed my thought process. So that has inserted a seed of being entrepreneur into my head. So I started thinking how I can own a product and drive the business further, a step further, and achieve the organizational goal with the help of the product I am going to handle. So in a nutshell, the thought process, the design thinking, all this aspect has helped me. This role has helped me to develop. To talk about my interview experience, I think it was no more different from other organization. I had a 2 round of interview because given that I was getting into a experienced professional role. The one thing as I mentioned earlier, that I did not have a hands-on experience on a product manager. But what made me to take up this role, I had a good and strong operational background. Basically, I come from a finance background, and I was aspiring to become a product manager in the same organization. So my strong background, operational background, has helped me to take up the role. And now to talk about the interview in specific, so I think what skill set is needed to take up this role. One was the technical skill, the other one was the operational skill. So I had a very strong operational skill and technical skill. Though I did not have a hands-on experience, I was not technically sound, but on a high level I had understanding. So that has helped me to crack my interview. So first round of interview I had with my hiring manager, and then the second round I had to go through. It was followed by a director of product management. I think if I talk about Accredian, so Accredian has facilitated me with this course to understand things better. So here I'm learning in a classroom and trying to implement in my current role. So there the dots where I was not, few of the areas where I was not able to connect the dots. Here this experience, this learning, I'm able to implement it in my current role. So right now I would say that I'm able to connect the dots. My thought process has completely changed. And also if I talk about basically experiential learning, I would say here I'm learning it and I'm implementing and experiencing it. So Accredian also has a very good curriculum, very well designed, and also the Accredian has helped me to groom myself. Mentorship, especially one-on-one mentorship, has helped me a lot. So one key advice which I would like to give the one who are aspiring to become a product manager, I would say that do not rush. acquire all these skills which are needed to become a product manager, especially the design thinking piece of it. Because if you rush, somehow if you are able to get the role, so the most important, the challenging part is that this is a very serious role. The chances are very high that you might tend to fail, and when you fail in that role, your product fail, and ultimately you will not be able to achieve the objective, organizational objective, I would say. So at the same time, I would not say that sit and relax. Acquire all the skill set which is required. When you are confident that okay, you are up, especially on the design product thinking pieces of it, and then I think one can go for it.